So today we're going to do graphing quadratics in intercept form. That's also called factored form. Your A still does the same thing that it did in the other form, or if it's positive, it'll open up, negative, it'll open down. This time though, once it's factored here, your P and Q, notice it's the opposite, just like it was with the H in vertex form. You're going to label them as your intercepts. So for example, number 1 down here, my intercepts are 3, 0, and 5, 0. So the middle of these two is exactly where a vertex should lie. So that's what you're going to do in step 2. You're going to find the middle of those by adding. You're going to do the 3 plus the 5, then divide that answer by 2. So that's the x value of my vertex. And whenever you get an x value, you always plug it into your equation up here into your 2 spots to find the y value. So I'm going to say 4 minus 3 and 4 minus 5, 1 times negative 1. So your vertex is 4, negative 1. Once you have all 3 of those dots, you can graph it. 1, 2. Remember, you just need 3 dots in order to graph a parabola. So you have your intercepts and your vertex. Example 2. So your intercepts this time should be negative 2, 0, and 4, 0. Again, to find your midpoint, I'm going to add those numbers and divide by 2. My vertex x value is 1. I plug it in up here into the equation to figure out what my y value is. That should be 3 times negative 3 times negative 1 should be a positive 9. My A is negative, so when I graph these, they should be pointing down. Oopsie, I plotted that one wrong. It was negative 2. And there's that one. So your last example here, intercept 6, 0, 4, 0. The midpoint of that is 5. Plug that into my one equation. My y value should be a half. Negative a half, sorry. The domain's the same as yesterday, negative infinity to infinity. Your range is just going to be the y value of your vertex. That was the same as your a yesterday. And still, if it opens up, so if we have it opening up, it's going to be that k value to infinity. And if it's opening down, that's a bracket still, sorry. If it's opening down, it's going to be negative infinity to k. So my domain is negative infinity to infinity for number 1, and the range will be that negative 1 to infinity. So the range for number 2, you're going to use that 9, but it's pointing down. So this time it's going to be negative infinity up to that 9. Sorry, it jumped up there. Because it's pointing down to negative infinity up to the 9. Number 3 is pointing up again, so it's going to be your y value negative 1/2 to infinity. With the bracket on it.